Blizzard says it will be updating a handful of Hearthstone cards after the HCT playoffs are complete. Most of the cards are being changed because new mechanics and cards released in recent times interact with them in ways that make them too overpowered. Six cards are being updated in total: Naga, Sea Witch, Spiteful Summoner, Dark Pact, Possessed Lackey, Call to Arms, and the Caverns Below quest reward, Crystal Core. Related articles: Previous One, The Next Low, Hearthstone, StarCraft 2, PES, Clash Royale and Arena. National Student Experts is a new official body building the Share this article. Share Blizzard has explained the reasoning behind the changes in a blog update. Naga, Sea Witch. Currently, Naga, Sea Witch's cost reduction mechanic works in conjunction with giants, making it pretty easy to reduce their cost all the way to zero. The way this interaction works is going to remain, but by increasing Naga, Sea Witch's mana cost to 8 from 5 means the combo will take a lot longer to come into play. Blizzard doesn't mind the Naga, Sea Witch Giants deck, but it certainly needed a bit of a power reduction, as some classes just weren't able to deal with it. Spiteful Summoner. After Year of the Raven, Spiteful Summoner became extra powerful in decks with 10 mana cost spells. Blizzard says this is because the number of 10 costing minions in Standard is smaller, so you could rely on a good one being pulled. They say that even though you have to make some sacrifices when making a deck to make this card work, increasing the cost to 7 makes everything a little fairer, especially when using it in conjunction with cards like Ultimate Infestation. Dark Pact. Big nerf for Dark Pact is coming. Rather than restoring 8 health to your hero after destroying a friendly minion, soon you'll only get 4 health back. It's too good for triggering big combos with Carnivorous Cube, Possessed Lackey, and Spirits and Umbra. Plus it allows Warlocks to aggressively life tap and play Kobold Librarian, Hellfire, and the like. It's still going to cost 1 mana, so it'll still be good for combos, but at least the healing will be vastly reduced. Possessed Lackey. The nerf to Possessed Lackey is another combo-related change. Recruiting a minion upon dying opens up some pretty difficult situations for some decks to deal with. So, the mana cost has been increased to 6 from 5, keeping the combos in play, but it means they'll be happening slightly later in the game. Call to Arms, which would added the even and odd mechanic, and there are successful Paladin decks using both, as well as Murloc Paladin. Murloc and Even are the most powerful, in part thanks to Call to Arms. Making it cost 5 mana instead of 4 means it will no longer be able to be used in Even decks, of course, and it also means it'll be slightly less powerful for Murloc Paladins. It can be used in odd Paladin decks now, but since it won't have access to 2 mana minions, it won't have as much of an impact. It's also worth noting that this change also affects the Greymane's Alliance deck recipe, which will have 2 copies of Saronite Chain Gang now instead of Call to Arms. The Caverns Below Quest Reward Crystal Core. The Quest Rogue deck is just too good against control heavy and fatigue decks, so the Caverns Below Quest Reward Crystal Core is getting an update. Instead of being 5/5, the quest reward now makes minions 4/4. It'll still be good against very slow decks, but it won't be quite as good against moderate control decks anymore. Related articles: previous one, the next low, Hearthstone, StarCraft 2, PES, Clash Royale and Arena. National Student Esports is a new official bodybuilding. Share this article. Share.